Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to another update on my dividend investing portfolio. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick little update, and I'm going to be showing you guys two Canadian stocks I'm going to be buying in today's video. So first thing we're going to do here is I'm just going to do a quick little update on the portfolio and show you guys how our stocks have been doing over the past little while. So inside my dividend portfolio here, over the past day, stocks are up quite a bit. We're up about 0.4%, which is about $23 in the past day. And it looks like things are going opened up today quite well. As you can see, most of our stocks here are kind of going up. Over the past week, overall our stock portfolio is still quite a bit up, actually 1.66%, which is $94. So actually the past week has been pretty good for us. We got a couple dips here and there, as you can see, but overall we're still kind of going towards that upward trend. And in the past month, we are down about -2%, which is about $131. So still down overall. And then over in the past 3 months, we are kind of more or less even. So it's going down and up quite a bit. And then overall, if we go all time on the dividend portfolio, we are still down about -1.2%, which is about $70. So it's still down a little bit, but stocks have been kind of recovering quite well. But you know, it kind of just been going up and down, as you guys have noticed over the past little while. So today, before I show you guys what stocks I'm going to be buying, I'm just going to do a quick little update on the dividends, because we've gotten a lot of dividends over the past couple days, and I just want to show you guys how much dividends the portfolio has been earning, because there's quite a few going in here. And over the next couple days, probably most likely on Saturday, I'll give you guys a more thorough update. I'm going to do my monthly update where I go through all my portfolios to show you guys how much I've earned in total and whatnot, and I give you guys like a more thorough update. So if you guys want that video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. But the dividends we got over the past couple days is we got one from XHD, which is $2.61, XRE $1.68, TransAlta Renewables $1.10, RIT 95 cents, XRE once again because we hold it in both portfolios $2.73, BPY a nice dividend of $9.11. This one is a really good one. We own a lot of shares of BPY. In fact, BPY, Brookfield's Property Partners, is going to be one of the stocks I'm going to be buying in my REIT portfolio in this video. It's going to be one of the stocks I'm going to be buying, and then we can see some other ones kind of going towards the bottom here. So pretty good month overall for dividends. Lots of dividend growth, and as when I do the update over the next couple days, you guys will see how much dividend we earned, and it's quite a bit from last month. It was quite a bit. September is a good month because it's the third quarter, and pretty much everybody pays a dividend for the most part in September. So it's usually a high dividend month on the channel. So anyways, the stock I'm going to be buying for day inside the dividend portfolio, we'll talk about the dividend portfolio, then I'll go over the REIT portfolio in a second. At some point in time, I do want to combine the two together inside my TFSA. I just haven't figured out the best way to do that yet. I might have to sell all my shares inside my REIT stocks and then put them into my dividend portfolio, but we'll have to see. So the stock we're going to be buying is going to be VDY. And I know VDY is an ETF, but this is an ETF that has been doing over the past month or so. Once again, I want to kind of build the portfolio out with ETFs, and I want to get this ETF to be about 30% of the portfolio, 30 to 40%. I haven't decided quite yet, but in the past month, it went down quite a bit. So it's down quite a bit. It's down 5%. So I think it's a pretty good buy. And this ETF holds a lot of the good stocks that I want to buy anyways. So a lot of the Canadian banks and whatnot that I do hold and that I do buy are kind of in VDY. So whenever I buy VDY, I'm buying like CIBC and TD and all that stuff. In fact, in this video, I wanted to show you guys a quick little update on some of the holdings that are in VDY and talk about VDY a little bit and show you guys like what I'm actually buying inside VDY. So the top 10 holdings of VDY are kind of listed on this page here. And like I said, you could buy these individual stocks if you wanted it. I'm just buying them together because it's easier to buy with VDY. But we have stocks like Royal Bank of Canada, TD, Enbridge, Bank of Nova Scotia, TC Energy Corp, Bank of Montreal, CIBC. I always get confused with the BCE. That always confuses me. Canadian CIBC, Manulife, and then Suncor. So lots of good companies here, lots of good solid companies. So whenever you buy VDY, you're kind of buying fractional shares. So for you guys who are just getting started, I think VDY is a great ETF that's Canadian based to put inside your TFSA. And a lot of these companies like RBC, for example, are really good dividend companies. As you guys can see, RBC has done quite well over the past little while. Nice dividend yield of 4.63%, and payout ratios are really well. So, payout ratio is 54%, and look at the dividend growth for RBC, 26% in the past 3 years. That's average about 5 to 10% per year. And then we have like TD, another stock inside there, another Canadian bank. Dividend yield currently 5%, and 3-year dividend growth is 33%. That's an average of 10% dividend growth per year. And once again, really good payout ratios, about 50% here. And then we have Manulife, and Manulife is once again one of those holdings in there. Dividend yield about 5%, almost 6%, payout ratio of about 50%. So they're still pretty good for their dividend yield, and these are just really good companies. That's why I think VDY is one of the best ETFs to buy. So you could buy these individual companies if you wanted to, and I do buy them because I like to hold a little bit more shares of them, depending on what they are. Like TD, for example, is my favorite bank, so I like to buy a little bit more TD. But it's up to you guys. You can buy VDY or you can buy those individual companies. I think they're all great Canadian stocks to buy. So today we're going to be buying VDY once again. We have $94 inside our dividend portfolio, so we'll see how many shares we can buy. Currently cost about $29, so we'll go in here. And just for reference here, VDY inside our portfolio, it's currently at a negative 4% return overall, and today we're up about 0.85%. So I still think lots of opportunity to buy VDY. A lot of things are still down quite a bit overall. So see how many shares we can buy here, sticking inside our TFSA. And then once we buy VDY, we'll hop into our REIT stocks, and I'll give you guys a quick little update on those. So let's see here. We could buy about 3 shares maybe. $87. That's probably the best we can get. And I don't think we'll have anything left over to buy anything inside our dividend portfolio. So just wait for that order to go through, and it should be good to go. And by the way, guys, if you guys do want to use Wealthsimple Trade to buy and sell stocks and build a TFSA, I'll put my affiliate link in the description of this video, and you guys can use that link if you guys want. So we have about $6 left, so we don't have anything left to trade inside our dividend stock portfolio. So we'll hop over to our REIT stock portfolio, and we'll see how our REITs are doing. And REITs are actually doing quite well. And once again, I am going to be sticking these inside of a TFSA eventually when I get a chance to. So our REITs over the past day are up about 0.3%, which is about $12. Over the past week, they're up 4.76%. So REITs went up quite a bit. Remember in a couple of videos ago, I talked about how I wasn't sure about REITs, and they went down a lot, and then they just went back up again. So that's just kind of how it works. So they're up 4.82% in the past week. Who knows if that's going to go up and down? But that's $184 one week. That's quite a bit for a small portfolio. That's only $4,000. Over the past month, it's up about 62%. So pretty much we just gained a lot of what we lost. And over the past 3 months, we were up about 0.5%. And then all time, we are just slightly up 0.77%, which is almost 1%. So a lot of that dip we got over the past month or so, we're kind of getting back here with the REITs. So that's nice to see. And once again, like I said, guys, I'm buying BPY. BPY is a stock I bought a lot when the market crashed earlier this year. And BPY is currently performing quite well. With the dividend we just got, which was $9, is pretty sweet. But overall, we're up 13%, which is the total return of this portfolio, about $42. And I'm still going to buy more because I still think this is a really good REIT. And we can buy quite a few shares here because it's only $17 Canadian. So we'll see how many we're going to buy today. So we have $50. So I'm going to buy maybe like 3 shares. Looks like we'll maybe only be able to get 2. So we'll buy 2 shares of BPY, and then we'll see if we have anything left over. But I don't think we will, but I'm just going to go through here and just buy these 2 shares really quickly. Wait for the order to go through. And then if we have anything left, I'll use that to maybe buy another REIT or so, but we'll see. I might buy like a share of XRE because that's another ETF I've been buying a lot. And once again, guys, next couple days I will be doing a more thorough update. I'll do like my monthly updates so you guys can see everything I'm buying. I'll show you guys all my what I hold and everything, and I'll give you guys a really in-depth video over the next day or two, probably most likely to come out on Saturday since I have a whole day on Saturday to do stuff. And we have $15 left, so I'll probably put a little bit into, let's buy some Dream Industrial. This is once again another good REIT that I've been buying into over the past little while, so I'll buy 1 more share of that, and we'll put that through. And then we should be good for our REIT for today. And there we go. So it looks like REITs are doing pretty well, and I think they're going to probably most likely, it's kind of hard to say, but like I said, I always kind of have a little bit of portfolio in REITs, but I'm going to be focusing on the dividend stocks over the next little while, so you can expect me to put a lot more money into my dividend stocks, but I still will be investing into REITs because I do think that they probably will do well in the future. It's just they're a little bit more riskier than dividend stocks, but at some point in time they probably will do well. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found some value from this video. If you guys once again enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to kind of follow alongside with me as I do these videos. I have a whole series where I kind of started these portfolios from scratch. You guys can watch. I'll link to that in the description of this video if you guys want to watch the entire series. And also be sure to check out the last video I published. I'll put a little end screen you guys can click there. That's my top 3 undervalued Canadian stocks to buy right now. Check out that video if you missed it because I do cover some more Canadian stocks if you guys want to see some good Canadian buys right now. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.